everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can add Robux to your Roblox account. Well, it's very easy. So first of all, simply open the application and make sure that you're logged into your account, just like this. So on the top right corner here you can see the Roblox icon. All you need to do is tap on it, and here you can get various options. Here you can see these are all of the Robux packages. So here we have from 40 to 22,500 Robux packages. So you can tap on any of them, like whichever package that you want to buy. And if you simply tap on these options, then you can pay through your Apple Pay. But since I'm on my phone, you can only get the option of Apple Pay. If you are buying through your laptop or computer, there will be a lot of more options. And just like this, you'll be able to buy Robux on Roblox account. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.